This video explains to you the programming procedure for a figure display for a Mitsubishi User Web Page. Hello and welcome back. This video is about a user web page component figure display, which is right here. And like in the previous videos, I already have prepared one for you that I assigned to the M11. And as you can see, when the M11 changes to true, this square box will also change to green. And this is how it's done. The figure display, like I said, is here. You want to also drag and drop this like all the other ones also. Default setting is that it shows up as a triangle. And also on here we got the properties again, where we can change it to either a triangle, a rectangle, or even an oval. And also it can be changed by the size by drag and drop on one corner. The device setting is also the same like everywhere. I'm gonna put it to M11. That's already made up in the program. I'm gonna also put it to range 1. Range 2 will be explained later on. And then the setting, and we're gonna put it to actually 1 because it's only a bit assignment. The color we just leave on the default green, and then we will be able to download. Yeah, well, same thing here with the X and Y coordinates. X coordinates changes from left to right, and Y coordinate changes from top to bottom, same as usual. And now we are able to download that, which we want to do. And remember, CPU must be in operation mode stop, which we will do right now. Stop is completed, and then we are able to download it. File write, and download starts now. If I hit the right button, just a few seconds, like always. I'll probably have to think up about any joke to tell you. And then renew the page here, and notice how this is gonna change. Hopefully, yeah, changed now. Do not forget to put the PLC back in run operation mode. And when we now change the M11 to high, I have a program, so I have to change the M10 in order to change the M10 to 1 in order for the 11 to change. That's just a toggle bit, and you can see it changes. And like I probably mentioned that before, the update time from the window is minimum 5 seconds, so we always have to wait 5 seconds for a change. Now that was for a bit change. Now we can go ahead and make it a word, which we make, where is it, D0 D0, and then we can put another range number in, put the range number 2 in, Go to setting, and then you'll see automatically we have a third color appearing, and this will be assigned to any number in the world, which we just make 2, and this can be changed to all the way down to 5 levels. I'm just gonna change it to 3 levels now. I put the number 3 in the word D0 and change the color setting here to any blue one, and then push go to OK, push OK again, put the PLC in stop. This is just the way it is. I did not find any other way now. Okay, now it's stopped. Download, file write, go through the whole loading procedure. Think about a joke that you could tell anybody, and coming up to 100%, and off we go. So it's changed. Put the PLC in run mode, execute, and I think I have to put this in the watch window. I will just change the Y1 to D0 and renew the page in the web browser. And now we will see on what we did here. The default is 0, so it's red. If we put the D0 to 1, the color will change to green. If we put the D0 to the value 2, it will change to this brownish color. And if we change it to 3, it will change to blue. And like I said, update time always minimum 5 seconds, so there you go. And that was the tutorial video for the figure item, which is located right here. Thank you very much. To the end, I ask you for a thumbs up, a subscription, and if you like more information, push the bell beside the subscription.